Welcome back. Farmers are suffering in the state. After sudden cyclone in Satari, canal leakage in Pedne, now traditional farmers from Kurtori are suffering huge losses following damage to crops and cultivation by the pests. Over 40 farmers have no paddy yield this year. They have appealed to the state for help.
दिसपेसूय आम भरपूर जातालो आतां आमकां दिसपेसूय ना कांय ना सगळे शेत आमगे गेले जायत जाणांगे शेत गेले आमगेले उणे म्हळ्यार 40 जाणांगे पूण कितें जालें तें खबर ना कोण म्हणटाय वेदर प्रॉब्लेम कोण म्हणटाय साऱ्या प्रॉब्लेम एकू सिकनस म्हूण सांगनाय म्हळ्यार कोण आमगे तें एक्शन घेयना कित्याक सगळ्यांलें जालें म्हणून कितें तरी आमकां हेल्प करचें म्हूण कित्याक आमकां हितू दिसपेस जालो आमकां कोण दिता आतां हितू दिसपेस आमगे सगळे गेले खावपाचेंय गेलें
आमकां वर्सां जाय पीक जाताली हय अर्द तें 8 हांडी तेच बाद जाय
आनी ह्या वर्सा कितें जालें
ह्या वर्सा तें कांय ना 30,000 पूण दिसपेस जालो आमकां हितू लुकसाण जालां तुमी आमकां कितें हेल्प कराय.
Kurtorim MLA Alexo Reginald said he is pursuing the matter with the government. He will help the farmers in getting compensation from the state.
पण म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी शेतकार हांकां जो ते त्रास जाताय तांकां कितें तरी कॉम्पन्सेशन मेळत जाय टू सच एन एक्सटेंट की तांकां एज इट इज शेतकार उणी जाले आनी शेतकार उणी जाले म्हूण मोर सो तांकां कॉम्पन्सेशन दिवपाक जाय टू मोटिवेट देम मुखार देखून आनी शेत रोवपाक सो आय एम विथ द शेतकार्स.
Savio Ties for Prudent.
Meghna of Maharashtra created a meet record in shot put on the opening day of 11th Youth Athletics Championship at Bambolim. Over 600 athletes are participating in the 3-day event. This is a record turnout at Youth Nationals.
The 11th National Youth Athletics Championship got off to a start on Sunday morning. Over 600 athletes from different parts of the country are participating in this competition, which will serve as the selection trials for Indian team that will seek qualification for Nanjing Youth Olympics. Speaker Rajendra Arlekar was the chief guest at the opening ceremony.
Youth National Athletics Championship 2014 opens.
Meghna of Maharashtra got the event to a flying start with a new meet record of 14.63 meters in shot put.
15.35. I wanted to break that record, but I couldn't. But I broke the meet record over here, and I'm happy. Ambition. Every athlete has only one ambition. It's the Olympic and Commonwealth. I want to participate in that game. Participating itself is a bigger achievement, but enabling the national anthem, India's national anthem over there, it will be my biggest achievement in my life, and I want to do it.
The immediate goal should be to qualify for the Nanjing Youth Olympics.
That's what, now the main aim is to qualify for the Youth Olympics, so let's see what happens, fingers crossed.
sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Chetan Gawas from Bambolim.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.